today I have an unboxing of a handbag for you. This is a brand that I have purchased from a few times before, and everything I have purchased I have sent back. So why am I buying something else? Because they have really cute designs. But then when I get them in person, and these are not things I can go to the store to see generally, I end up being disappointed. But I got a great deal on this one and I can return it if I need to, so let's open it up, see what it is. It's very unique, and we'll see if I like it. I'm hoping I do. Stay tuned. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community post on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. I got this bag from Nordstrom Rack, so I got quite a good deal on it. Where's my opener? Here it is. Let's go ahead and get into this and see. It's also a small bag. I've been into small bags lately, and like I said, it's a very unique bag. Oh, it's much smaller than I thought. Here's the paperwork, the receipt, and here is the little bag. It's quite tiny. It's wrapped up nice. It's obviously a brand new bag and not one that anybody's returned, which wouldn't bother me unless there was something wrong with it. All right, I got the plastic off, so let's unwrap this thing together. There's more plastic. Hold on. There it is. It is a Kurt Geiger Kensington. This is in the mini size, and it's like a plaid. What's happening here? There's a lot going on. It's like a plaid with kind of a mesh on top of it, almost a lacy mesh, and then a bunch of sequins in a diagonal pattern. Looks like the sequins are in black, gold, silver, and pink. There's a lot happening here, but I thought it was really interesting. I couldn't really tell in the pictures, because it's sort of hard to take a great picture of this bag, what it would look like in person, and if I would like it, or if it would look really cheap and childish, or if it would look nice. So far I'm liking it. You can see the little bird head right here. That's a metal piece, and that is the signature of Kurt Geiger. There's also a little metal plate right here that says Kurt Geiger, and that has plastic over it. The fabric and sequins continue on the bottom and the top, and as with all Kensington bags, this has two magnetic snaps. Now that gives you a better idea of the plaid that's underneath the lace and the sequins. That I do not like by itself, but I do like it with the stuff on top of it. I'm going to take everything out. I'm going to show you this bag in comparison to a couple other things, maybe just to give you an idea of how small it is. We'll see what fits, do a couple of mod shots, and hopefully make a decision. By the way, I only paid like $75 for this. So far, I feel like I would keep it. I've wanted to add colors, textures, patterns to my handbag collection. This certainly has all of that. Oh, it even came with a dust bag. It's rather smushed and not good quality, but it's nice that they included it. The chain is a dark silver, an aged looking silver like ruthenium. The first thing I'm noticing now that I took everything out of the inside of the bag, I think you can tell the bag is wider at the base than it is at the top. So the opening is a little smaller than the capacity of the bag, or the base of the bag, if that makes sense. Let's do the phone test. Does my iPhone 10 fit? It fits quite easily. There's no forcing it, it just slips right in. Check it out, see, easy peasy. Won't be able to fit much else in this. This is definitely a bag for carrying essentials only. I also just noticed there is a tiny little slip pocket. Not sure how clear that will be. There you can kind of see it. So the lining comes out some, and it's a fabric lining. I took the plastic off the chain because the sound was driving me nuts, and I feel like I'm gonna keep this, so I wanted to see the chain without the plastic on it. So here's how it looks. I'll do a mod shot. And you actually can double this chain. It has two holes on either side. So you can wear it with one long strap, or you could pull it out, and that was easy to do, and wear it as a little shoulder bag. I am noticing, like just now, can you see right here, the chain is tending to kink up. That's happened to me quite a bit already as I've been playing with the bag. So here's how it looks on my shoulder. It's a tiny little bag, but it's a good shoulder length, I think. Right now it doesn't have anything in it, so it's tending to fall off my shoulder, but once I have a little weight in it, it should be fine. And then on just the long strap, fits me perfectly crossbody. That's fantastic. Or as a longer shoulder bag like that. Okay, I just looked at it in the mirror and I love it. I think it's really cute. I know this is not going to be for everybody. Some of you are going to think this is absolutely hideous. That's fine. Let's do some size comparisons. Here is the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 15 next to it. So you can see it is bigger than the 15. And then here is the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 19. So it's much more comparable in size to that. Here's a size comparison. So it's going to be wider, and the 19 is a bit taller. It would probably help if I gave you dimensions on this bag, huh? Okay, it's 7 inches across the bottom. It is 5 inches tall, and it's about 2.5 inches deep. Not very big, but we knew that already. Now let's see what fits. Will it fit a PM Agenda from Louis Vuitton? Ooh, that might be a tight squeeze. Yeah, you can get it in there, but that takes up the whole top of the bag. You could still pull it out some and fit your phone and maybe a card holder. So that could work if you have to carry your agenda. If it holds that, it should hold a mini pochette, but that's going to take up most of the room in the bag. It's a little hard to get it in there, but it would fit. Maybe not. It's a little squashy. It would fit a Louis Vuitton clay, of course, and a card holder, or a clay and a zippy coin. Here's the clay and the zippy coin. That still leaves you with room for your phone, a lipstick if you're the kind of person who carries a lipstick, and your keys. You could even fit a small pair of sunglasses on top of here, but probably not in the case unless you just have a little soft pouch. And that's pretty much it. Now you wouldn't have to have the zippy coin. You could just have a card holder like this and your phone, and that leaves you with more space. You don't even have to have the card holder since it has that slip pocket. You could put your cards there. It is a pretty secure bag since it has 2 magnet snaps. And then you could fit more small things in the bag itself. There is no back pocket, by the way. Let's talk about the quality of this for a second and if it feels like it will stand up over time to wear. Oh, also, while I'm thinking about it, before quality, let's talk construction. The sequins are done in a way where they are layered and kind of fluffy, which I really like. They're not hard to the touch, they're soft. The lacy material under them is the only thing that I would worry about. If that got caught on something, that would easily rip, I think. The chain feels nice. It's substantial but not too heavy. I've always liked the bird. By the way, the bird has little crystals on the head and it looks like probably black plastic eyes. The bag is pretty squishy, but the base does have something in there that's keeping that more structured, so the base isn't so squishable. And then the flap has something in it that keeps that structured. As far as wear, I think it's just a bag you have to be conscious of when you carry it because it could potentially catch on something and have that lace rip. The corners, I don't know, 2 of them are covered in sequins, 2 are more lacy. I feel like it would wear okay, you just have to be aware of the bag. I think throwing it around wouldn't be the worst thing for it, but you might want to be careful not to put it on a very abrasive surface. You might want to be careful not to wear it with something like a sweater where this could catch on the sweater, or the sweater could get caught on the bag and the sweater could get pulled maybe by the sequins. But overall, I think it is super cute and I'm definitely going to keep it. It's sparkly, it's colorful, it's everything I've been looking for in a colorful, sparkly, textured, patterned bag. It's fun, and it has sequins, which has been my new favorite thing lately. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I hope to see you back here next time, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.